QJumpers is a leading online search and recruitment software provider from New Zealand. We've recently opened in America. We are an ATS with a fully embedded AI web and search tool, which is quite unique. So today, the focus of the talk is all about our new AI search and match module. So what is Global Search and Match? It's an AI, artificial intelligence, web and social search tool. So what we do is we use a form of AI, natural language processing. What that does, it'll read your job ad. So you load your job ad in the system, the machine, little creepy crawly things, they read it, and they work out exactly the kind of a person that you need for this role. It then goes away and searches the web for that exact person specification that the machine worked out that you're looking for. And then it ranks the people based on what our machine said you're looking for. The key thing is within seconds, you get access to the best talent available for your job. So it's a way to get to these highly skilled people before anyone else does. So where does it search? Everyone asks me, where does it go? Is it LinkedIn? Well, yeah. It uses LinkedIn. LinkedIn's great. It's got a lot of information. But all LinkedIn is what people say they can do. And it's other people coming in endorsing them for stuff they don't even know. I've got people who endorse me for things I didn't even know I could do on LinkedIn. But we go deeper. We need to verify what they say they can do. So we go to social media platforms. It does go to Facebook, but it doesn't care what you did in the weekend. All it wants to know is there a job title there? Is there a location there? That's one source. Bang, we'll add it to the profile. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, just connecting all the pieces, creating a profile, site after location, just more and more information feeding in. We go to online resume databases, corporate websites, annual reports. They're generally public information. Blogs, if they've ever written a blog, if they've ever commented on a blog, it finds it. It works out what they've commented on. Once again, natural language processing understands what they mean when they write something. It then adds it to the puzzle. Their profile keeps getting built up and up and up. Peer-to-peer websites. If you're in technology, people go there, they ask a question, people come and reply to those questions. Then people score the replies to the questions. So how well these people answer the questions adds up to different areas of expertise in their profile. Recruiters spend days trying to get that information. It's like we get it in 10 seconds. So how does it work? Like I said, natural language processing. It works out what a word means. It assigns a value. It differentiates from over 24,000 unique skills. And a lexicon, which is just a flash word for like meaning words of expertise or skills or experience. So 6 million different lexicons. One of the beauties of this, 93% accuracy. It combines all sources, like I said, to build a jigsaw puzzle and present candidates into a profile. I've got a job up there. It's a software developer. Software developers are really hard to find. So what it's done, it's read the job ad. It's gone through, worked out exactly what you need in a person, and then it starts scouring the web. The candidates get presented back. We show you up to 50 of the most closely matched people for your job. You can see the skills in a summary snapshot right there, what that person has. You can see where they worked. So if you look into more detail, if you drill into the person, we do a little graphical display because some people like to see things graphically. So that's a nice, pretty picture. The stuff in the middle, that's kind of like really broadly what this person can do. The further you go out from the center of the circle, the more detail it gets into. I like to look at the stuff on the right-hand side of the screen there. So it shows where they've worked, their job titles, when they were doing those specific jobs. Shows you their education. If you like them, You can then click a button, invite them to apply. There's a link, they click the link. If they apply, they get moved in to the applicant area, and then you start managing them just like any other applicant. Take them right through, onboard them, hire them through our ATS. Job done. But job done of finding and hiring someone that traditionally you may not have been able to find in the first place. It's kind of freaky, but it's all publicly available information that's out there that we now put in your hands to be able to contact, find within 10 seconds the hardest to find people in the world. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening.